Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a little something different and we're going to go through the truths of trading and what you should know before you start your trading journey. Now, we all know day trading usually has a negative connotation attached to it just due to the fact that a lot of people jump into day trading and think that they are going to make a lot of money very quickly and quickly realize that is not the case at all, and then end up calling day trading gambling because they weren't able to maintain that risk management. Also, there are a lot of traders out there now in the space that post on social media, that post on YouTube, that post their trades, and sometimes from the outside looking in, it can look a little bit easy, but these traders have put in a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of years of experience, and a lot of losses to be able to get to the level that they're at currently. However, when we do look at these traders, we think that, okay, it's easy. They can do it. I can do it. They make it look easy. And a lot of times it is our fault as we are in the content space to make sure that it doesn't look easy. And we highlight the aspects of day trading that are not highlighted enough. A lot of the lifestyle part of day trading, what you can get from day trading, the free time that comes with it is highlighted, but all of the negative sides of trading are sometimes hidden beneath the surface. A lot of these negative aspects of trading need to be brought to the light, especially in the content space, so that a lot of newer traders are fully aware of what they're getting themselves into when they start their day trading journey. So the first thing that I want to bring up is that trading is not a get rich quick scheme. I know a lot of traders will go into a Discord, will go take a course, or will go do something that starts their day trading journey, that kicks off their journey into day trading. And they think that because of that course or because of that Discord or because of that video that you watched once or twice, it means that you're going to be a successful trader. It means that if you throw money into the market, you're going to get money back. And that's just not how it works. What you want to aim for as you start your day trading journey is longevity. You want to last as a trader. There are traders that have traded in the markets when it was 2020 and 2019 that are not trading anymore. You want to make sure that you're building good risk management skills, good strategies, implementing better habits as a trader so that in the long run, you're able to last. You're able to make this a career for yourself. And everyone needs to understand that real wealth, real success from trading doesn't come from full porting your account into trades. It comes from those small, consistent wins that add up over time. Most successful traders have spent a lot of time researching the market, analyzing market trends, refining their strategies, testing new strategies, back testing the market, learning new skills in the market, applying better habits. And it takes years and years for you to get to a certain level where you find consistent profitability in the market. So when you go into your day trading journey thinking that it's a get rich quick scheme, you are setting yourself up for failure. Just understand that it takes time, it takes a lot of effort, and you cannot skip the learning curve as a trader. Another little truth that I want to touch on is that losses are inevitable in day trading. You are going to take losses. You are going to pay tuition to the market. The fastest way to become a profitable day trader is through trial and error, is to learn from your mistakes, is to learn from the losses that you take and build better habits, build a better strategy, refine that strategy, learn from it, back test what has worked and what has not worked, and apply those better habits, those skills into the market as you continue to refine your strategy, as you continue to adapt to the changing market. The most important thing to understand is that yes, losses are inevitable, but risk management can help you prevent those big losses. Your immediate goal as you start your day trading journey shouldn't be chasing big profits. It should be managing your risk. Learning proper risk management will help you avoid those big losses. Following your rules, following your stop losses, proper risk management while you're trading, all of these concepts are extremely important. And a lot of people overlook these concepts when they first start their day trading journey and just throw money into the market without understanding the concept of risk management. Your number one priority should be to protect your capital. Cash is a position you should understand when to size up, when to size down, when to stay cash in the market and wait for the move to come to you. The next truth is that the market is unpredictable. There is not one trader that can tell you exactly what's going to happen in the market, when it's going to happen in the market. Nobody has a crystal ball. No one can read the future. No one can predict the future. You just have to adapt to the market as it continues to change. And no matter how much analysis you do, how much back testing you do, how much research you do, the market will still have a level of unpredictability to it. Just like whenever there's news, elections, economic events, economic reports, anything like that can shift market momentum. So yes, the charts may be telling you one thing, all of the research may be telling you one thing. However, if the data comes out and it is showing something completely different, investor sentiment can change. The market can move a completely different way. Everything that you had anticipated goes straight into the trash, and you have to adapt to the market changing at that point. And if you're not able to adapt to the changing market and you're not able to adapt quickly enough, you will struggle as a trader. So one thing I always tell all my students is be ready for change. Be ready to change your strategy. Be ready to change the way you manage your risk. Be ready to constantly adapt to the ever-changing market, because if you aren't able to quickly adapt to the changing markets, you will quickly blow through a lot of your account or your profits. I have had days and weeks where I've taken loss after loss after loss because I'm not understanding that the market has changed. I need to change my strategy. I need to change the way that I approach the market, because the market is not going to change. So you as a trader have to be able to adapt to those changes, to be able to shift your strategy, refine your strategy, protect your capital, change your risk management, whatever you have to do in order to understand the current market conditions. Another truth that I want to touch on is the fact that trading is a mental game. No matter how much analysis you do, no matter how much research you do, no matter how much back testing you do, if you cannot control your mind, you are going to struggle as a trader. Your mindset plays a huge role in your success. How you are able to control your emotions, how disciplined you are as a person, how disciplined you are in your day-to-day life will affect your trading in the long run as well. You need to learn how to stay calm, stay patient, wait for the play to come to you. A lot of trading is just the waiting game. All you do is sit at your desk and wait for the play to come to you. You have a strategy, you have a trading plan, and you wait for that to come to you. You wait for that to show itself in the market, and then you take a play. Being impulsive, being impatient, being not disciplined, and not following your trading plan are all going to have negative impacts on you as a trader, especially in the beginning of your trading journey. It's very important to understand yourself as a human being, your characteristic traits, and be able to be mindful of those while you're trading so that you're able to control those emotions. And I will say that the psychological stress of trading is probably the hardest aspect of it to get through, especially if you are trading by yourself, or you don't have a community, or you don't have any friends or family that trades, or you really don't have anyone to kind of confide in. It is the hardest aspect of trading to get through. So it's really important to make sure that you understand that before you get into trading, because the stress that that can bring into your life can negatively impact other relationships in your life as well. You want to make sure that you are mentally prepared for the stress that that brings into your life. If you are someone that has already so many other things to stress about, so many other things to worry about, you are going to struggle in your trading because it's just going to add on to that stress. At that point, you're not trading with a clear mindset, and it's going to negatively impact you. And then when you end up taking losses and you blow through accounts, that's going to negatively impact you in your personal life as well. So make sure that you are mentally prepared for those challenges. You stay disciplined, you stay patient as a trader, and you apply the best habits you can prior to starting your trading journey. The next truth that everyone should know is that consistency is more important than big wins. A lot of traders, when they first start their journey, their main focus is to make a lot of money as quickly as they can, which when you look at social media and you look at content out there, it does look like that. It looks like you can make a lot of money very quickly, and you can in time, okay, in due time. Everyone has to pay their dues. So when you first start your trading journey, you want to focus on consistent small wins. Okay. Over time, the traders that are making consistent small gains, compounding their accounts, are going to be doing a lot better versus a trader that's full porting their entire account into a position and then full porting it again and taking a loss and then doing that over and over and over again. It's mentally stressful. Traders who focus on consistent small wins and compounding their account are going to be profitable in the long term versus a trader that is looking to get a big win every time they're in the market. They play earnings, they full port their account, they have no risk management. Yeah, you may get lucky the first, second, third time, but on that fourth time, you might not be so lucky. You might be full porting your account and you blow through the entire account playing earnings, or trying to catch a big move because you didn't have any risk management, because you didn't follow your stop loss and you bag held the entire position. You want to focus on taking low risk, high probability trades versus taking high risk, low probability trades. You want to focus on the quality of your trades versus the quantity of the trades. Stop focusing on trying to catch every single move on the market and look for 1 to 2 tickers and learn the price action. Learn how they move on a day-to-day basis and focus on those. The next truth is that you need a strategy. Okay, a lot of people come into this and they don't know what they're doing. They don't have the basic information. I've seen so many traders come into a Discord and have no idea what a put is or what a call is or what the bid is or what the ask is. And they don't have the basic information down and they are putting money into the market. Please don't do that. You will blow through accounts. Test different strategies, back test different strategies, research different strategies, and find one that works for you. Whether you're going to be a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, whether you're going to trade options, whether you're going to trade equities, whatever the case may be, whether you're a breakout trader, a trend line trader, there's so many different strategies out there. Find one that works for you, that works for your lifestyle, that you understand, that you can implement properly and find consistent profitability within that strategy. And this goes hand in hand with what I mentioned before. Do not skip the learning curve. There is a learning curve to trading. And depending on how much time you put in the beginning of your trading journey, you either get through it very quickly or it takes you a very long time and some hard lessons before you're able to get through that learning curve. And I was one of those traders. I tried to skip the learning curve. And what happened? I lost money. I blew through multiple accounts trying to avoid the learning curve. Take the time, learn a strategy, backtest the strategy, understand the strategy and how it moves within the tickers that you are planning to trade, and then put money into the market. Without a proper trading plan, without a proper strategy, you are playing the guessing game. And over time, you are going to struggle as a trader. You need to have a plan that guides your decisions, that guides your emotions, that keeps you disciplined, that you can follow on a day-to-day basis. Hey, if Tesla does this, I'm going to enter for calls. If Tesla does this, I'm going to enter for puts. Every trader, no matter how much experience they have, need that trading plan. They need a plan to follow. Otherwise, your emotions start to get involved. You start to implement bad habits. You start to bag hold. You don't have a stop loss. And at that point, you are setting yourself up for failure. And the last truth that I want to touch on, and probably the most controversial one, is that most traders fail. Because most retail traders come into the market with overconfidence, with the lack of knowledge, with the lack of discipline, lack of emotional maturity, they end up losing a lot of money and they end up failing and failing very quick. The level of discipline and emotional control it takes to become a successful trader, a lot of humans lack. You see a lot of successful traders, a lot of mentors that tell people that you need to be a certain type of person to be a successful trader. And that is the undeniable truth. You need to have a certain level of discipline, patience, of understanding of yourself, of your emotions, of emotional maturity to be able to be a successful trader. You need to have the ability to stop trading. You need to have the ability to follow your plan. If you're an impulsive person, you're not going to be able to do that. If you're an impatient person, you're not going to be able to do that. And trading brings out the worst habits, the worst characteristics of a person to the surface. Characteristics that they didn't even think they had. And when it does bring it to the surface, you then have to look at yourself and be like, what am I doing? Who am I as a person? Am I able to control these habits? Am I able to better these habits, not just for my trading, but for my personal life as well? And it ends up coming down to the fact that, are you willing to change? Are you willing to find that emotional control? Are you willing to find that discipline and implement better habits as a trader? If you are not, trading is not going to be for you. You are going to be a part of that percentage, that big percentage of traders that end up failing. However, if you are able to implement those better habits, if you are able to become a more disciplined person, if you are able to control your mind while you're trading and control your emotions while you're trading, you can be the small percentage of retail traders that end up finding consistent profitability. And this is a skill that you can have for a lifetime. This is a lifelong skill that you can implement at any time and any place in the world. And I think it's really important that a lot of people understand that. And a lot of people understand that it is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not something that you are going to make money on very quickly. But if you put in the time, you put in the effort, you put in the work, you will find that profitability as a trader. You will find that consistency as a trader. It's just about not giving up and being able to identify those bad habits and refine your strategy, refine who you are as a person, and be able to implement that in your trading journey. All right, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can comment them down below. If you have any video suggestions or anything you'd like to see, go ahead and comment that down below as well.